Guys, so it has been a long as well since I've done a video in my apartment. By the way, please excuse my head, my hair. It's hot as hell. It's like 35 degrees outside, and I don't want anything to touch my skin because I'm hot. I'm gonna do like an updated apartment tour because I have not done any in a while. I have not been in my apartment. I have not recorded in my apartment in a long as well, and I am going to be leaving this apartment in August. So I would have been, well, at that time in August I'm gonna be in my apartment for 4 years. So I've decided not to renew my lease. Yeah, so that's that. So I wanted you guys to just see what I have done with it. Nothing major, you know, just the usual. And I've added this desk, which is like a computer desk slash my eating area pretty much, although I still eat on my futon. Yeah, so I alternate from the here or from my little couch. By the way, I am gonna have to give away some of my stuff, so, or maybe, yeah, give away or maybe sell at a very discounted price. So I'm not giving away this table, but like my couch, my very tiny ass couch that I'm on right now, so small. But this, I don't know how much I'm gonna be selling it for, maybe 1,000 yen, I'm not sure yet. But this is just the covers. I bought this fabric to go with it because I liked just how it looked with my background, because my walls are white. So as you can see, like for example there, it's white, but I had wallpaper on this. So I bought this fluffy little cover for my couch, my sofa. So I'm selling my sofa without the spread. But anyways, at that time, when the time comes, I'm gonna post it on maybe Sayonara or one of those places where you give away or you sell your stuff at discounted prices. So I'm gonna also have to give up this thing. I'm not going to give this for free unless I have no choice. I've spent a lot of money on it, especially for the shipping part, so I'm not giving, and I really don't want to give away that for free, even though I did buy the couch brand new, you know, and it came from Amazon. So yeah, I did buy it too, but I've had the couch a little longer than the chest of drawers, and I'm gonna give away my kitchen thingy. But yeah, I'm starting from the point anyway. So I'm leaving in August, and I actually started to, because I don't want to move with so many items. So like I've been going through my, what you call it, my clothes, and I have been throwing away like stuff that I know that I don't need. And it's just so sad. Like I'm just thinking like, damn, after 4 years I'm really going to be moving out of this apartment. Boy, time really flies. Anyways, I'm gonna be showing some other parts of the apartment at another day, but right now I can't record everything and I won't say why. But anyways, I'm also going to be giving you guys an update like on my monthly expenses, because if you're coming to Japan, you need to know how much it is to live in this country. This video was taken 2 months after. Okay, so first up on the list is my gas bill, and my gas bill is a total of, for this month I paid 6,247 yen for just gas. And like since the whole Ukraine and Russia thing, my gas bill has increased. So for water bill, I get my water bill every other month, and I got it this month, so it's 4,587 yen. So yeah, it's not bad. So it means that each month I would pay 2,544. Yeah, ooh, my math is on point. Anyways, next is my electric bill, which is the cheapest. My electric bill is for 3,224 yen. I have my curtains open, but I close my window for now because when I'm recording the video, outside gets a little noisy, like I can hear the cars and stuff, so I didn't want it to interrupt the video, so I closed it. But usually I keep my windows open, and I have a door fan. I keep that, like when I'm cooking, I usually turn it on so that it prevents the, you know, like it circulate the air or whatever. So I keep that on too, because it kind of cool down the place. So I don't really put on my air conditioner because ain't nobody gonna add any more money to my bills. Anyways, so a part of living in Japan, you're supposed to pay resident tax. So this year, what was my resident tax? I think it was 112,000, which is very, very cheap compared to what I've heard other people are paying. And the fact that I work more than one job, I'm very surprised. But I think maybe it's because I also, and I put that I have 3 dependents, and once you have proof and all of that, it works in your favor. So whenever you're gonna do your tax refund, just indicate that you have dependents, and that will go towards your resident tax, reducing your resident tax. So just a great tip for you to try to incorporate to reduce your expenses, your monthly, your resident tax, that is. Next up is my pension. So with my pension now, I am paying 4,150 per month, but I'm supposed to get, so this was from last year to this year. Every year it changes maybe, and I haven't gotten my new bills yet, but I usually ask for an exemption, and they give me like a 1/3 exemption. So I'm really hoping that this year they're gonna give me an exemption again, because ain't nobody paying 16,000, and maybe it's gonna even increase to more than that. And my last bill, well, that I have right here is my health insurance. And before maybe in May, I was paying almost 22,000 yen, but now I'm paying 27,690 yen, and this is per month. So per month for health insurance, your girl is paying 27,690. Now tell me now, I only use my health card when I'm going to the dentist. That's the only time I use my health card. Otherwise, I don't go to the doctor. I don't do, well, I did go to the gynecologist, but I rarely use my health card. So I don't know why I'm paying so much. And even when I go to the dentist, I still have to pay a lot more, like 4,000 yen and thereabout. So it's like, what sense does it even make for me to have a health card if I'm paying so much? Anyways, so I also pay rent. My rent for this apartment is almost 45,000. So that comes out of my salary, because I got this apartment through my company. And now that I'm not gonna be staying here anymore, it means that I'm gonna have to pay it out of pocket. So I'll get so it would not be deducted automatically. Next is my Wi-Fi. So I have Wi-Fi at home, and I'm not sure, let me look, hold on. All right, so I have my bank book here. I don't have the current month. I'm gonna add it to the screen. I'm gonna put it on the screen, the current month. Yeah, so they haven't deducted it yet, but on average I pay for my Wi-Fi, sorry, I zoned out. For my Wi-Fi I pay 6,000. Oh, actually it's an exact amount, so it's $6,028 I pay for 28 yen for my Wi-Fi. The 6,028 for Wi-Fi. It's 5G and it's unlimited Wi-Fi, so that's why I got it. For my phone, no, that's a whole different story. So my phone plan, I have an unlimited phone plan, and it's about, so it fluctuates. For my plan, because I wanted an unlimited plan, and I don't usually call people, so whenever I call someone within Japan, I have to pay X amount of money per 15 seconds or something like that. So I rarely call people, and I really wanted the unlimited Wi-Fi, so that is why I took this. But let me just give you guys some amount of money that I have paid. So 1 month I paid 7,242, another month 7,420, sorry, 7,462, another time 7,813, another time where art though, another time 7,434, 8,118. That was in May. So 8,118 in May. Damn, these people. Can't wait to cut off my phone bill, my phone service, because these people be robbing me, man. But anyways, that is that. Is there anything else I need to tell you guys? not really. If you guys want me to do like a video where I compare, for example, of someone living in Japan for 1 year versus 4 years versus 10 years, like the amount of money that they pay for the bills monthly, you can let me know and I can get that information for you. But if not, then I wouldn't go through all the struggles of getting all this information if you guys not interested. But anyways, yeah, so I just wanted to do a little quick update, like apartment tour, and also I wanted to let you guys know what it's like, you know, living in Japan expense wise. And if there are any videos that you'd like me to do, let me know. And guys, I apologize for how I look, but I just really wanted to do this video before I leave the apartment, even though I'm not leaving for another 2 months. But I'm gonna get really busy, so I know that I won't have the time because I'm rarely home each day, and I didn't want to just put on makeup, and the time is so hot, so there's no way I'm putting on makeup to just record a little video. Now, I haven't worn makeup in months, almost like a year. I haven't worn makeup, so another reason why I didn't wanna, you know. And I'm trying to work on my skin too, but my skin is like 1 minute it's flawless, another minute I have a little breakout, another minute it's okay, like I can't keep up. Anyways, thanks for watching. Subscribe, like, share, and comment. And if there's anybody that's coming into Japan that you know would want information like this, you know, about apartment and what the bills are like, then send them my videos, send them my channel, help your girl grow. Anyways, bye guys.